Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So a plus b to the power of 3. You got about a to the power of 3 plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b to the power of 3. So we can apply this formula for this one in here. So we need to expand this one. And you will got like this. Now we apply the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n dx. You got about s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c, and now we have the final answer. Number 6, that's about, we put n equal to number 6 going here. You got about 6 plus 1, you got about 7 in here. Now you can do similar for the next one. About number 1, that's about the constant. So you got about s and we put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.